I want to show you a little bit about my project here, this Ram RT DIY hood and what we're going to do with it. This video is sponsored by AUXITO, manufacturers of upgraded LED lighting for your car, truck, or SUV. If you've considered improving your lighting quality to LED, give AUXITO a try. Their products are made with high quality materials. All of their lighting products are DOT certified. Click on the affiliate link below. Arizona Lifestyles viewers receive a 15% off promotion code at checkout. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, this thing is never going to be perfect. This was a $60 hood that I spent way too much time on. I'm going to paint this thing in Rustoleum black and put a pearl coat in a 2K clear, the cheapest way possible. This is a test. It will not match the rest of my truck with that pearl coat in it. And if we want to put that pearl coat on the rest of the truck. Working on these projects are not for perfection. It is sometimes a test. This method that I learned from Whitley Auto Works on YouTube, go follow him. So we're gonna start off with gloss black Rustoleum paint, and then we're gonna add a hardener and thin it down with acetone. We are going to use, get one of these cups. We're gonna use 2 to 1 to 1, 2 parts paint, 1 part acetone, and then 1 part hardener. But you don't need a lot of hardener. What we're gonna do after that, after it tacks up, is use speed coat clear, urethane clear coat that'll go over this Rustoleum paint. And then what we're gonna add is this Roleo pigment silver ash. Really cool. We're just gonna use a little bit. We're gonna use half a teaspoon, not that much, in the clear, and see what effect we get when it's all said and done. We are gonna be spraying it with the $12.99 Harbor Freight gun with a $8 regulator and a $4 water filter on it. We're gonna run it just like Whitley Auto Works says at 28 PSI at the gun at full trigger. So wish me luck. We'll see how it turns out. First time doing clear over Rustoleum and first time using the mica pigments. And you're gonna see, good, bad, or indifferent, how it's gonna turn out and see if you wanna do this yourself. What do you think?
Looks good.
Got some cool pearl to it. It's not ever going to be perfect, but I think it'll do just fine. This is a test for your truck to see if we can spray some pearl over some Rustoleum. It did as good as it's going to get. 24 hours later. So here's the plan in the next week on this hood. We're going to let this sit. There are some bugs. Look, bug. Obviously, there is some orange peel. So we're gonna let this cure out, and then we are going to wet sand this down and buff it out. And then we've got to paint the vents gloss black with Rustoleum, and then we are going to install this on the truck. So there's a little bit more work to do on this. But overall, for a $60 hood with minimal in cost, this is the cheapest way that you can put a custom paint on your vehicle with some pearl with cheap clear coat. Hopefully you all enjoyed this. I appreciate everyone for watching. If you like this sort of stuff, like, follow, subscribe, leave some comments down there, and see you on the next video.